are going exploring today, and we're gonna go to this area of Britain. We are in St. Vicente, and then you're coming with me. Let's go.
It's a little bit.
Oh my god, this is so gorgeous, like seriously. Come on. So we have to walk on the stairs for us to get to the actual waterfall, which I think we're almost there. It's not that long of a walk. So, almost. We are here. The waterfall was so fun, and now we are here to eat some good food. So let's eat. Oh my god, we are literally at the beach right now. This looks so beautiful. Like,